Hello, my name is Perry Farrell, and you're watching Life Minute TV. My greatest wish, my aspiration in life is to unify the entire planet and throw the party of parties in the Holy Land. I want us all to be dancing. I want us all to be witness to the most amazing art and visual. I want to hear the beats coming off the desert floor. I want the world to be at peace at that time.
It's so amazing to me because Lollapalooza was such an important part of the music that I loved and came up with. You know, we were all coming up together. So being a part of the doc is beautiful for me, and it's amazing because of my friendship with Perry. We're still friends. We still stay in touch all the time, and I love that.
One year, I remember Foo Fighters in 2021. Actually, one of the last Lolla they played, and he was singing that song, "There Goes My Hero," and he said, "Sing it, Etty," and he said my name, and I actually got a little flustered.
It was during the COVID year. The world was essentially shut down, but we worked with the city of Chicago, and we got the doors to open, and from there, the entire world opened up in fashion. Then the next thing you know, the sporting events are popping up, and now we can go to ball games again. So to me, that was personally an incredible accomplishment because I got the world outdoors again. They're out, and we're dancing again.